Hello everyone, this is Antonomia, Assistant Professor in Computer Science from St. Joseph's College, Hosur. In this video, we are going to see about string sequences. So, sequence is a collection of elements that can be arranged in ascending or descending order and can be accessed using indexing. There are three types of sequences: list, tuples, and strings. In this video, we are going to see about strings. So, now we'll see how to create and assign strings. We'll see that through examples. The first line, if you see, a string is equal to hello world is given within single quotes. So using single quotes also we can assign strings. The second line, if you see, another string is equal to Python is cool is given within double quotes. So using double quotes also we can assign strings. The third line, print a string. So a string value is hello world, and since we are using the print statement here, hello world will be displayed without single quotes. The next line, if you see, another string alone is given, there is no print statement. So another string value is Python is cool. So Python is cool will be printed in single quotes. The next line, if you say S is equal to string of range of 4. So range of 4 means we are going to print values from 0 before 4 till 4. 4 won't be included in that. So the list is going to be converted into a string. You can see the output. When we print S, it is displaying 0, 1, 2 and 3. Accessing values in strings. We'll go to the example. A string is equal to hello world. So we have created a variable called as a string. The value we have given is hello world. Now when we give a string of 0, it will print the first character. So here indexing starts from 0. The first character here inside the string is H. So H alone will be printed. Next one, a string of 1 to 5. So 0 is H. So 1 will be E. So from 1 till 5. 5 won't be included in that. So 1 to 4 will be printed. So E, L, L, O will be printed. And the next one, if you see a string of 6, this end point is not given. So it will start with 6, means the starting position of the string is 6, and it will print everything till the end of the particular variable. So here if you see the sixth position will be W. So W till the end of the string is going to be world with an exclamation mark. So that will be printed. Updating strings, we can also reassign the value for strings. So here let's see an examples again. A string is equal to a string colon 6. So the beginning of the string is not given, but it has to stop with in this fifth position. So 6 won't be included. It will be stopping with fifth position plus Python is given. So a string we already know it is hello, and here with that the Python is included. So hello Python will be printed. Now a string is equal to different string altogether. We are again assigning another value for the same variable a string. So now hello Python won't be there inside the a string variable. Instead, different string altogether will be there. So if you print a string, you can see different string altogether has been there. So this is how we can update the values. The next one is removing characters and strings. Let's directly move to the example. A string is equal to hello world. So we have created a variable called a string. The value we have given is hello world. Next line, a string is equal to a string of, we have not mentioned the beginning position. We all know the beginning is going to be 0 and it is going to stop till 3, means 3 won't be included. So 0, 1, 2 alone will be included. In the hello world, if you count 0, 1, 2 will be H, E, L. So that will be there. In the third line, another L is there, so that won't be included. And if you see plus, the second line plus a string of 4 colon is given and the endpoint is not given. So if the endpoint is not given, it will print till the end of the string. So fourth position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is O. So it will print HEL. The second L will be skipped and O will be printed till the end of the string. So O space word exclamation. So that is going to be the output. So if you want to remove the string entirely, you can directly assign an empty string, or you can just give delete and the variable name. It is given in the example, a string is equal to, you can just give empty string, means just open quotes and close quotes. If you print a string, you can see nothing is there inside, or you can also use del for deleting, for clearing that particular variable. So here are few string operators. The first one is equal to, we all know that is assignment operator. So string 1 is equal to ABC, string 2 is equal to LMN, string 3 is equal to XYZ. So string 1 is less than string 2, ABC is less than LMN. It is printing true. Next one, string 2 not equal to string 3. So string 2 is LMN, which is obviously not equal to XYZ, so it is printing true. The next one, if you see string 1 less than string 3 and string 2 equal to XYZ. So string 1 is less than string 3, it is true, and string 2 is equal to XYZ is false. So true and false is going to give false. So now we'll be seeing about forward indexing and backward indexing. Here you can see A string is equal to ABCD. Length of A string is going to be 4 characters, so it is displaying 4. Here you can see ABCD how it is represented in the memory, and 0 is given as an index for A. So 1 for B and 2 for C and 3 for D. This is forward indexing. It starts from left hand side and ends with the right hand side. Backward indexing contains negative values and it starts from the rightmost value. So here it starts with D and it is a negative value and it starts from -1. So -1 is for D, -2 for C, -3 for B and -4 for A. So in the example here, if you see A string of 0. So here in 0 we have A, so it is going to print A. Next one, A string of 1 to 3. So always the ending index won't be included. Before ending index it will stop. So 1 and 2 only will be printed, 3 will not be printed. So 1 is B and 2 is C, 3 won't be included. So only B and C will be the answer. A string of 2 to 4. So again here 4 won't be included. So 2 and 3 will be printed, that is C and D. Now if you try A string of 4, because A string of 4 is not there. So 0 to 3 only is there, 4 is not there, it is returning an error. So backward indexing, final index is equal to length of A string, that is -4. -1, -2, -3, -4 was there, so it is printing -4. Then A string of -1, A, B, C, D was there. So D is -1, it is printing D here. A string of -3 to -1. So again -1 won't be included. So -3 is B and -2 is C. A string of -4, it will print A. So if the starting index as well as the ending index is not given, as you can see in this example, A string of open bracket and close bracket, a colon is there, but the beginning and the end value is not given. So by default it can automatically the interpreter can accept either from the beginning or from the end of the particular string. Then we are going to see about the membership operators in and not in. Whether a substring is available in a string or not, that we can see. So see the example, BC in ABCD. So BC is available in ABCD, so it is returning true. N in ABCD. So N is not there in ABCD, so it returns false. NM not in ABCD. So NM is not there in ABCD and it is returning true. So next one is sequence type operators. The first one is sequence of index. So it will give you the value that is located at the particular index that you have mentioned here of the particular sequence. Sequence of index 1 to index 2. So index 1, there is a beginning value that will be included, but index 2 won't be included. So before index 2, it will stop. Sequence will be a sequence into expression. So a sequence will be repeated expr number of times. Sequence 1 plus sequence 2, sequence 1 and sequence 2 will be combined together, concatenated together. Object 1 in or sequence. So this we just saw membership operators in and not in. And these are built-in string functions. CMP is for comparing strings. So compare string 1 comma string 2, compare string 3 comma string 1, and compare string 2 comma element. So this also we have already discussed. Next is length of the particular string it will return. So string 1 is equal to ABC. Length of string 1 is going to be 3. Then length of hello world, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is also counted 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and exclamation mark is 12. So it will return 12. Maximum and minimum. So here there are two strings, string 2 and string 3. The maximum of string 2 is n and the minimum of string 3 is x. Enumeration. So enumerate will assign values for the string that is given. So s is equal to foo bar is given for I comma t in enumerate of s, print I comma t. So you can see foo bar is there, FOOBAR, and for that the indexing values have been given and it starts from 0. So next one is zip of s comma t is equal to FOA comma OBR. So s value is SOA and t value is OBR. So when we give zip of s comma t, the first value of s and first value of t will be combined. So f comma o, then second value of s and second value of t, that is o comma b, third value of s and third value of t, that is a comma r, will be combined. Raw input, so it is similar to our input statement. This input statement was used from Python 3. Before Python 3, raw input only was used. So it is same, there is no difference. See the example, user input is equal to raw input of enter your name. So enter your name will be printed. John Doe is the value that is given. If you print user input, or it is going to print John Doe within single quotes. And length of user input is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, space 5, 6, 7, 8 will be printed. And here are a few questions to check yourself how much you've understood from this video. Thank you.